This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. Your plans are working right. Your strategies done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest. You are the sharpest. Know that. Know yawa. But remember. Chukwu wife but remember. Chukwu wife. You are out for this fight. Baby. You are out for this war. You are out for this fight. Out for this war. Baby. You are out for this war. Shabby, you are out for this war. What does it go away for this fight? Hustle and baby. Hustle and baby. You are out for this war. You are out for this war. You are out for this war.
Thank you so much. I love that makeup. I know. Just calm down. No, we've not started. Actually, I'm just waiting. You're not giving me attention. I'm not happy. No. Take it. Sorry. It's not enough. Call that phone. I love God. You're getting married. Allow me now. You do have money. He says no. She's jealous. Today is a day. I'm so excited. Oh. Yes, me too. And she's actually making a list. We'll see you going out. Yeah.
Chief, yeah, the Kagakonamo. Chief, you will break your chain. If you are to be a country, you are UAR.
Bomboy.
Yes.
Why do you like to behave like a toy?
Because I'm a toyist. Chief, I came to inform you that the in-laws are nearby. And Umunas are here already. What's especially? The food is ready!
Is that the only one that you can remember and be excited?
Very important.
Okay, what about my wife and daughters?
Your wife is attending to the mothers. Why your daughters? They're already getting ready.
I'll see them.
Bomboy.
What is the meaning of this? Who are those people? Today of all days.
Uncle, I've never seen a thing like this before in my entire life. To think that Ezin and I were dying to witness this day was supposed to be a dream come true. What do I do?
Well, let us be grateful to God that no life was lost. Once there is life, there will be room for you to remarry again. Oh, boy, I want them.
If it's hard to guess, they did not collect any money from anybody. They did not shoot anybody. So what actually do they want?
I don't know.
Their mission is very clear. They want to scatter the marriage.
And why would anybody want to do that? Why?
What will they gain? What is their gain?
Including the money. The
problem now.
The phone is ringing, but you won't respond.
The phone is switched off.
With what just happened, I think we should give him some time to cool off. Just give him a little more time, okay?
Give who time? Something happened in someone's traditional wedding. The first thing he did is run away. He did not even come back to check up on his wife-to-be. What kind of man does that if not a coward? So if they were married now and armed robbers came into their house, this is how he would have abandoned your daughter and run away. Then you come and tell us we should give him time. Let's call a spade though.
Adani, take it easy. He's also human.
Shut up. Also human. What do you know about marriage? What are you talking about? My friend, shut up.
Just take a deep breath. Okay? Relax. We will definitely establish communication with him and his family.
Yes.
Huh? Don't hurt yourself. Take care of her. I'll be mad.
This is crazy. This is really crazy. My Zizi, it's okay.
My child, he is twice as hot as you are. Just give him some time to get it off his head. Oh?
Mom, I hate your generation. They know how to cover the truth. Z, please put yourself together, eh? When you get better, I'll tell you some things.
Things like what? Don't mind that. Get up, let me take you to your room. You need to change into something else.
Somebody better.
Oh? Let me take you to your room.
Mommy, we have to find out who sent those people.
You know what? Let me take you to your room, okay?
I'm not going anywhere.
You need to change into something else. You can't remain like this. We can't remain here.
It's okay. You can go and leave me.
There's no way I will leave you like this. You know I can't do it.
I can feel your pain. I know how.
Yes.
I understand. Oh, please, you have to calm down.
You're hurting yourself.
BP is real. Did you want to have it?
Chief,
What is it?
we have a very big problem at hand. Please, all this food and drinks, what are we going to do with it? I reproach the can
You get out of my sight! Let's see it.
Hey! Oh! Hey! I kill myself today. I will kill myself today. Marriage work, you know, work not my concern. Hey! This rice cup. We know you made it. That's a wish. Hey, you know what? Look the way it affects me. What if I never know? Going to mine. Oh. First, if I'm going to get all this country for this house, Lord, I pray, let no marriage work first. So I just think you're going to come out. Zero.
Bomb boy!
Thank God, that's that called a mistake.
Bomb boy!
I'm coming! I'm coming now! I'm going to have a problem. Oh. Hey! I'm washing the dogs! Huh?
This would be my last day as a single lady. I already had my eyes on one sexy, tall, dark and handsome guy like that. Gosh.
Wait, you don't understand the girls.
Like, your concern is about men you could not catch, not on Ezine whose marriage just got messed up. How insensitive can you girls be? She'll be fine because everyone has their own problems to deal with. Besides, you're acting as if you were not already eyeing one guy like that. Really? You guys are so unbelievable.
You see why I hate Ashebi? You see why I hate Ashebi people? See Ashebi people. You see why I say if I go marry, I no go ever call any Ashebi? Because one, una dey chop. Second, una no dey spray money. Third, una go just stay there, the eye men. Now, I mean una the eye. Una friend or non-government come there, come shoot non-government. Scatter the marriage. Una no think about am, una run. If na me be the husband, if I go do the next marriage, I no go ever call una.
Look at you. Look at this one. You guys carry food home. You want to pack all the whole food and go. Why you carry it? That is how you are. Look at your belly. I bet you see.
Every time
I'm
just
myself. I'm better than you. I'm better than you.
Come on. I can take insult from these two, but see you that is keeping like a walking stick. Now you want to know you that should do not reach. If I hear one pin from you people, I will deal with you. If anybody should insult me, now you that has leg of stick.
You there? Eat all the whole thing. Eat. That is the kind of person. Just look at your tummy. Big belly.
You don't care on us. You don't care what should be doing. Rubbish. You can have your time. I'm going to save my family on another house.
This is jealousy. This is jealousy. This is jealousy.
How did you come about this cooler of rice? Today is your guy's daughter's marriage. Is the marriage over?
This one you come on with a very big cooler of rice.
Eat. Which marriage is over? The marriage is over again, no? There's fire on the mountain.
What?
Oh, non-government came out and started shooting non-government. Gunfire everywhere. Gone.
Did they pay the head of the organization?
No, Mama, if you hear gone. Everywhere was on fire.
Did anybody die?
Did they lose anybody?
They didn't lose anybody, but they lost bullets.
Hey!
Mama, I told you. Mama, you need to see bullets. Go.
Just like that.
Grenade. Why?
Hey! Mama, oh, I said it.
What's the time?
I said it. Budam. After 5.
Hey!
Budam.
Mama, I need to head back to the house. Make sure you wash this cooler and bring back for me.
Bamba.
Eh?
Bamba.
Yeah, hello? No, can you concentrate on me? Are you the brother of this rice? Did you brought it?
Since you are the brother of rice, leave this one now. You people have enough to eat there. If I not hey!
Greetings, my brother. I don't know how you do it. I want you to get to the root of all this. My family is not safe as it stands.
Alright, sir. My boys will come everywhere to unravel this crime. It's a promise.
A handsome reward awaits you, Jonas.
Alright, sir. Be rest assured that the perpetrators of this crime must be apprehended and dealt with. It's a promise.
Good. I like what I hear. I want to see results. I want results.
No problem, sir.
Positive results.
No problem. Trust me.
Okay.
Who is behind this? Somebody tell me who is behind this. I want to know who is behind this.
Good evening, sir.
Morning. Who was that?
It was Ezine, sir.
And what does she want?
She said that she wanted to see you.
What did you tell her?
So I told her that we've already traveled to the city.
Good. Is my cabman ready?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Yeah. Once my sister comes back, let me tell her I'm off to the city. Let me drive this back to the car.
It's been a very horrible experience. Or just hanging in there.
Okay. How is your sister taking it?
The worst way ever. And she has refused to be consoled. Who would blame her?
Tell her to take it easy on herself. She's going to get justice.
Thank you very much. Good to hear that. Sir, sorry. So, how do you intend to get justice? I mean, do that?
That is our job.
course, I know. And of course, I know you are very competent when it comes to that. I trust you, my father trusts you, my family trusts you. But I'm just wondering, you know, my sister is suffering. And I really want the perpetrators of this crime, of this nonsense to be caught in no time. So how do you intend to go about it?
We have information on the kind of car they came with. So we have intels and we have mount our check to all the roads leading out of this village.
Okay.
So we are on it.
Wow, that's really impressive. I mean, that's good. See, I know you are competent, of course.
All right, so tell your sister to take care of herself, eh?
Of course, I will.
Bye.
It's not been easy, but we're fine. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, bye.
Isn't it? How did he go?
He has left, Daddy. He flew away even without a word.
It's okay, my princess. Just let it go. Maybe it's for the best.
The best? How do you mean, Daddy? How do you mean the best? Benson is the best thing that has ever happened to me. He has shown me nothing but love, care, and attention. He is the best. He's the best.
And he abandoned you? Can't you see all that he was doing was just a mere show?
No, Mommy. And I would really appreciate it if you all stop talking like this. Weren't you there when those devils came and interrupted my marriage? Weren't you there? If they didn't do what they did, I know I would have been here with him. I would have been in his arms and now reminiscing about good memories.
Sis, do you realize that those hoodlums, or devil, whatever you call them, made it obvious for you to see who you were about getting married to? I mean, what kind of man leaves his wife to be in a situation like this, knowing fully well that you are hurting? The least he could do was pack up his things and flew out of the country. Did you see the man you were about to marry? Oh, please, that man was not your man. Never yours.
My princess, don't worry. Stop crying. That man who will love and cherish you will definitely come your way. Benson is not the last thing or the only thing in your life.
Bye-bye to your husband. Bye-bye to your husband. What? Was never our husband. Please open the door and talk to us. Please open the door for us. Ezinne!
Thank God, Mabel.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
You sounded urgent on phone.
Yes, it's about your friend. For days now, she has refused to leave her room. She doesn't talk to anybody. She has not even taken anything. My daughter is losing her mind.
Mommy, it's okay. Just calm down. Don't worry, I'll talk to her. She's upstairs.
Yes, she is in her room.
Okay. Don't worry, just calm down.
Please help me, okay?
Let it go. Breathe easy. Relieve your heart. Trust me, everything will be alright. This is not my friend. Isn't I know you to be a fighter. Why are you subjecting yourself to this level of depression over something you have totally no control over? Sine, are you listening to me? You have to snap back. You have to come back. I want my friend back. You have to stand up, go into the bathroom, freshen up. We are going out. Really? Fine, I'm leaving.
What does it matter?
It's Chike.
He's not taking my calls.
Chike.
Hold on. Don't tell me you're still hanging around with that loser.
My man is not a loser. He's just having financial challenges that any businessman can have.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So is that all there is to him? Financial challenges. I guess that's why he's not picking your calls, right?
Look, something could be wrong. And that is what I'm trying to figure out. Don't put ideas in my head, please.
Obioma, there is nothing wrong. You are just myopic when it comes to things of love. Even when the signs are boldly written in front of you, you will not see it. Babes, wake up and smell the coffee.
Adaku, you are a specialist in dishing out love and relationship advices. But the funny thing is, you've not been able to hold one man to yourself.
Obioma.
Adaku.
Do you realize you just insulted me?
I just did. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on. Is the pill too bitter for you to swallow? I thought as much.
This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy.
My dear friend,
What happened to you was a shock to everybody. But if you look at it, it is a great lesson to be learned. Okay, think about it. How come Benson did not check up on you? How come he just abandoned you and went back to Italy? Okay, fine. How come his own mother left their house? Does it mean she's been planning this all along with her son?
That is exactly the point. That is the part I'm finding very difficult to understand. I'm losing my mind.
Isn't it there is more to this? Think about it. Benson genuinely loved you. There is no reason he would just abandon you and run away. He had no reason for that.
You've just been talking, Mabel, but you haven't made any points. You're not making sense to me.
There are hands behind this. Big hands. Wait, do you think Benson is so foolish that he would just invite armed men to come and disrupt his wedding? If he really wanted to get married to you, he would have just opted out. Yes. Do you think he would have spent all those money planning your wedding, and at the end of the day he will abandon you? I think your man's hands are clean.
There you go again. You just called him my man. What sort of a man would abandon his woman without saying a word? I was pained. I was really, really pained, and he left without talking to me. What sort of a man is that?
Our people has this saying that when you see a frog in the afternoon running, there is a reason, unless...
Unless what? Unless what, Mabel? Okay, what exactly is pursuing this particular frog?
That is the big question. See, I think there is someone somewhere that does not want to see you get married. Yes. Think about it, Ezra. Why don't you start looking inwards? Look inwards, your circle. I think there are people who do not want to see you get married. There are people who are not happy. Allow God to do this. I believe that God has a reason for this. Trust me, Ezra. He does. Just give him time.
Benson! Why would you do this to me? Let go of me! Why would you do this to me, Benson? Benson, why would you do this to me? What did I do to you? What did I do to you, Benson? Damn, not Benson. This is not Benson.
Okay, darling. Honestly, I was worried when your phone refused to connect. But thank God everything is fine now. Of course, we are ready. Trust me. Alright, love you.
Well, let's hear it.
Okay, mother. Well, Chike and his people are coming to see you and Dad to start the marriage procedures.
So soon?
Mom, how do you mean so soon? Have we not waited for too long?
Considering what just happened to your sister, are we not supposed to let it settle? At least for a while.
Mom, I don't get it. So I should pause my marriage because my sister's husband chickened out of their marriage at the 11th hour? I will not do that, Mom.
That's not what I'm saying. Let me ask you, do you even love your sister at all?
Mom, of course you know I love and care about my sisters. But right now, my happiness is my priority. And I am not ready to trade it for anything. Not anything in this world. Look, Ezine should move on. After all, life has a lot to offer her. Please.
So, when are they coming?
On the 27th of this month.
Very well then. We're waiting.
I can't wait either, mother.
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best. Never worry, this is not the end of the road. Don't fight, cause it's not your battle. Cause your future is bright. Your future is bright. You can read the handwriting on the road. You can read it. Your love is waiting for you. Someone is in love with you.
That was how it happened.
Obioma, what was it you said you wanted to discuss with us?
Daddy, my fiancé Chike and his people will be coming to do my introduction. And immediately after the introduction, he will be performing my marriage rites because he's in a hurry to jet out of the country for his business.
Really? So soon?
Excuse you?
Yeah, I mean,
We're still not out for what happened to me.
and now you want to proceed with your own marriage? I mean, in the real sense, is that right?
I don't get it. So because your man ran away, everybody's life should be on standstill. Really?
It's okay. It's okay.
Dad, will you let this happen?
What would you have me do? Stop my overgrown daughter from getting married? Are you people out of your mind? Now, what type of a father would I leave me with? My dear, whenever they are ready to come for your traditional marriage rites, we'll be here to receive them. And I'm here to offer my blessings.
Thank you, Daddy. You're the best. What's wrong with this one?
Isn't it obvious? I mean, she's still trying to recover from her marriage that didn't happen. And here you are talking about your introduction. Girl, you can be so insensitive.
Jesus. Everybody have problems. You all should sort your problems and let me be in peace. What is it?
Adako, you have your own man, right? Why don't you hurry him to come and do the needful?
I don't understand.
Than creating problem where there is none. Mom, yes, even you.
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best.
I am finding it so difficult to believe that my own blood sisters will ruin my marriage. It's really unfathomable.
It is easy and very normal because of the bond that ties you all together. Yes. Because it was sometimes easy. You should think outside the box. Wait. Do you think your sisters are happy they were getting married?
But how is it any of my fault that they haven't been able to find their own men? How?
Really? Now you are asking me. Okay, fine. Can you actually think your sisters are getting married?
Sure, they do have reason. But honestly, Benson is a big fool. He is a coward to have succumbed to any kind of threat or oppression from anybody. Man, it's crazy. I mean, with what just happened, he doesn't deserve me. Yes, he doesn't deserve this amazing body of mine. He doesn't.
No! This is what I want. Perfect! Perfect, Izine. Now you are talking. See, Ezine, now I want you to channel this energy, this anger, to looking and seeking for the root of this problem. Yes.
Good riddance to bad rubbish.
And thank you so much, my friend. You need to channel this energy to looking for another man.
Oh, my sisters, my dear, I thought we were born loving each other. What is all this? What came over you, guys? What is all this? Why did you...
Girl, wait. Look at my sister. See, I taught you how to drink. Do you remember that? Now you want to challenge me on shots. Tequila, for that matter. This guy is so funny.
Look, I know you taught me, but right now, I will outdrink you in a battle. Look, forget, this is not the Obioma of those days. Oh.
Really?
This Obioma now is a big girl.
I see. Girl, you that cannot finish half glass of wine without getting drunk is challenging me on shots, tequila shots. Well, no need for too much talk. Let's get on with it.
There's always a beginning to everything.
Oh, really?
My brain is very strong now.
Ah, I see. Okay then, are you ready?
Try me.
Then let's go. Come on, 4 more. We're going to do 5 shots. Let's start with 5.
5? Why not 10? 5 is too small now.
Go down. I know it. Ah, strong woman.
10.
Drink woman. Don't worry. Let's start with 5. When we're done with 5, we move over to 6 and 7 and 8. Get your drink. Oh, okay. That was fast. Girl, you're on fire. Hurry up. Babes, easy. This is tequila. What are you doing? Easy, so I don't take home cups to my people. Ooh. Okay, that's the third one. Keep pouring. Ooh. Okay, that's 4 for me. So we're going on to 5 now. Come on, girl. I thought you're the...
This one.
Which one?
I was taking this one.
Okay, hold on. Bang. You want to do a challenge?
This one is not.
This is what we're doing. Palmer, Obioma, the super drinker. Oh,
this man. What color of shirt are you wearing?
You know who's your mother.
Is this pink or yellow?
Oh, that's black.
Black?
Yes.
I thought it was more.
Take your drink, Mrs.
Which one?
Yeah, that one. No, that's empty, of course. Take this one. Yes, next time you know who's your mother. What's wrong with you? Okay.
I'm fine.
Really?
You trust me.
You're fine like this.
My brain is strong.
Okay. That's it. Enough. You're drunk. Officially, you're drunk.
No. My brain is strong.
Sorry. Please, can you help me with my sister, please? Help me with her to the car. I think she's wrong.
Okay, why are you
doing that? Don't worry. Calm down, girl. Let me have your bag. Please.
I'm don't mind that. I'm okay.
Please, please, can you carry her? That's it. Thank you.
Where are you taking me to? I'm okay.
Yes. Thank you. Okay, let's go. Our car is downstairs.
My brain is strong.
This is jealousy. This is jealousy. This is jealousy. This is jealousy. Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Make sure next time, don't let her drink to this magnitude, okay?
No, I won't. It won't happen.
Don't worry.
It won't happen.
Right?
Thank you very much. You're a lifesaver.
But remember, Chukwu with Anina, but remember, Chukwu with you are out for this fight, baby. I do out for this world. I do out for this fight. Out for this world, baby. I do out for this world. Shabby, you are out for this world.
Darling, what happened?
Your daughters happened again.
What have they done this time?
Nothing less than bringing shame to my name. You let them loose, unguided, uncultured, and...
Really? They behave badly now, and it's my fault?
And whose duty is it to raise them up the right way?
Raise who the right way? My 5, 6, 7-year-old babies? Or are we talking about full-grown women that are supposed to be in their homes?
Exactly what I'm talking about. That is the issue here. They ought to have been in their husband's home, but you did not raise them that way. All they do is eat, sleep, wake up, and ferment trouble upon trouble every day. Kudos to you, Mother of the Year.
Is it my fault that my daughters are not married? I've always wished them well. I've always wished they do well in all their relationships.
Do more than wishing. Work on them. If you were this irresponsible when I came to marry you, you know you will not be seated here today as my wife.
You are out for this fight, baby. I do out for this world. I do out for this fight. Out for this world, baby. I do out for this world.
Easy. Oh my God. Come. Let me check. Sorry. Next time, don't challenge you. When I tell you I'm your mother when it comes to drinking, believe me. Okay. Sorry. Oh, next time don't challenge me, okay?
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Mom, she had a little to drink.
A little drink?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Mom, it's just a drink.
It's just a drink? Mm-hmm. So you girls go about the streets, drinking yourselves to stupor. Is that it? No, tell me, which man in his right senses would want to marry a drunk?
Mom, must everything be about marriage? We're young girls. We should have fun once in a while. That's what we did.
Oh, you call that fun? No, go about the streets. Have fun as you like. You can even go nude. That's fun. No, have fun. Stupid girls. I don't blame all of you. Nonsense.
Oh, next time please don't challenge me again. Are you done?
Sorry. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest.
Oh my love. So sorry I kept you waiting. I had to go see the detective. That's good. So any news? None for now, my sister. He said he saw the car one of them came with, abandoned somewhere. But they're still tracing it to the owner.
That's nice. It means definitely they will locate them with the plate number.
Sadly, the car does not have plate number. Completely bare. You sounded very urgent on the phone. Hope all is well.
Oh, all is well. I needed to meet someone.
Someone.
Mm-hmm.
And who is that?
Do not panic. Just
Hi, ladies. How you doing?
Check
How are you?
Fine.
Good to see you.
Same here. Checkers. Meet my sweet, darling, lovely girlfriend. That's my baby girl. Isn't it? Isn't it? Meet my bestie, Checkers.
How are you there?
Hi.
Wow. Good to see you. What do I offer you? I can see you ladies are doing on red wine.
No, don't worry. I'll share with her.
Wow. So how you doing?
I'm fine.
Sorry. I need to get my phone.
Okay, that means too long.
Oh.
Checkers.
Hey! Don't tell me you're trying to matchmake me. Huh?
Come on, Izumi. You need a break from yourself.
Break from what? Am I that bad? Like, don't I look good to you? Like, must I be with a man?
I didn't say so. I'm just trying to help you.
Help me. You should first of all help yourself.
Don't worry, you will love him. Checkers is so nice, like he's cool. Hey, you will love him.
He's cool.
Yes.
So why aren't you dating him?
He's my best friend.
And can also be your boyfriend. God damn it. You should ask me if he is my spec. You are high. You are really drunk.
No, I'm not. They should get to a class so you join me.
Oh, please get away.
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best. Never worry, this is not the end of the road. Don't fight, cause it's not your battle. Cause your future is bright. Your future is bright. You can read the handwriting on the road. You can read it. Your love is waiting for you. Someone is in love with you.
Answer your call. Answer, please. You've been disturbing me since morning. What happened to me? Nothing happened to me.
Missed calls. How can the number that just called me now be switched off? What? No. Oh my God. Oh my God.
So this is it. This is how you go about fucking with men and you expect me to come and marry you. Today I was supposed to come with my family to come and meet your people for the traditional rites. So this is the kind of shit you're trying to put on my face. Goodbye forever.
No. No! 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 This is not true.
Who did this? How did these pictures get to my boyfriend? What is this?
No! 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 This is not true.
What was that?
I don't know.
You better go and check on your daughters.
Chief, you don't be offended. I heard my name. Did you call?
Have you gone mad? Are you out of your senses? Now you don't hear or understand your name anymore. Or maybe the sound of my voice. What's wrong with you?
Chief.
Are you still standing there?
Sorry, Chief.
Go and call her down.
What kind of rubbish is that? How did he even get the picture? Who took it?
I don't know.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Oh. I'm finished, oh, Adaku.
I have who feed?
Bomboy, are you mad? Are you crazy? How many times will I warn you to knock before you enter my room? What if I was naked? Come on, get out of my room. Get out. Come on, get out.
Please, can I come in? What is the problem, Biko? Who finished you? Mama Miyaki, your father said I should call you. You are storing me.
Bomboy!
Ma?
Get out.
Mama Miyaki, your father said I should call you.
Get out of my room, idiot. Can you imagine this idiot?
Adaku, help me.
What will we call this one now?
Adaku, help me.
What is this?
I don't know.
I only begged this guy to help me carry you to the car because you were drunk. No. Who now took the pictures now? What kind of temptation is this? What kind of village people attack? It's okay.
Who is behind this? Somebody tell me who is behind this. I want
do you think you're going?
Home.
What home?
My father's home.
And who will clean up the mess you made inside? If my lunch delays 1 more minute, I will castrate you and send your remains to your father's house. Now leave my presence.
You are not sacking me.
Not yet, but give me time to decide your fate.
Hey! Hey! Don't mind me, it's tears of joy. God will bless you. I swear, I don't know what you do for a living, but they're not going to catch you in Jesus' name. You're a good man.
Will you go inside, you moron?
Thank you.
I said inside.
Hi, Mama. Hey, Mama, please. Please. This is a special Thanksgiving. Mama, take this money. This is 6,900 naira. Use it, go to the market, buy these items that I will call for you. 10 big tubers of yam. 10 what? Big tubers of... Mama, concentrate on me here. Tubers of yam. This one you're counting the money. I didn't say you should eat. This is for God. 10 big tubers of yam. Then buy fowl. 2, male and female. Especially virgin fowls. Go to the church. Do Thanksgiving on my behalf. Tell God that I'm grateful for whatever He did in my life. What happened? Mama, my life, the life of Chief, the life of his entire family, most especially the life of my job.
God forbid.
Mama, you're saying God forbid. Nobody would have been there to say this, God forbid, though. Nobody, like, no, if anybody had been there to experience this, it would have been game over.
What happened?
Mama, I was cooking and I forgot. Behold and behold, when I opened the pot, look at smoke. Pff, pff, everywhere want to burn. We started shouting, help, oh, help, oh. Police came, fire service came. Police was busy pushing water, pumping water. Fire service were busy shooting gun. Mama, without the intervention, okay,
Brother?
Huh?
Police pumping water. A fire service shooting gun. Oh, brother. When did they swap their occupation?
What is your own in it now? What did you even know about police? What?
It's because you said they were shooting.
No, why you can't use it? So, Mama, please take this money, buy all these items. I will ask the Reverend Father what you bought, too. If what you bought do not correspond with this 6,900, Mama, you will pay me or you give me change. Let me go back. Let me go back. Hey!
Police pumping water. Oh, yeah, what did he say we should do with the money? What did he say we should do with the money?
He said I should go to the market, get some items, and go to church for Thanksgiving on his behalf. He had an accident. He nearly died. My daughter, do you know that chief's house? Fire! Burnt it down. Nearly it will have killed my bomboyo. Hey! God, thank you.
Oh, Mama. He nearly had an accident. Why won't he?
Already had it.
That your bombo is always very, very careless. Well, I thank God for this money. At least we'll buy medicine for your illness. We'll buy drugs. Hey, it's big.
Flora, he said I should use it and get items so for Thanksgiving. Please, my daughter. Just give it to me.
Oh. Mama. Oku onye dindu naga Thanksgiving. Is it not when you are alive that you can go and give Thanksgiving? I can't let you risk your life. Yes.
Flora, please. Bomboy will kill me. Flora! What will I tell Bomboy? That money is for Thanksgiving. What say je kenere achuku?
This isn't funny at all. It's actually getting worse by the day. Sometimes I feel like running away from my house.
Is it that bad?
It is that bad. As a matter of fact, it gets worse by the day. And my father is not even helping issues. He wouldn't want to get to the root of the matter. He's just blaming everyone for anything that happens in the house.
I feel the old man's pressure. It's getting out of hand, I get it.
Yes, I don't blame him either. He's human.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm honestly not in a good mood, please.
You know what? Everything will be fine. Don't get yourself worked up. Come to think of it. Were you serious when you say you want to run away from home?
And why do you ask?
I'm just curious.
No, tell me the reason you asked.
I feel for your father. I guess maybe if you don't mind taking away one of his problems.
I am not my father's problem. I am his lovely last born.
I see.
But wait, is that a way of you trying to ask me out?
What do you have to say?
Well, the only thing I have to say to you is that you should keep it down. Keep it low. I'm not running away from my father's house. Not now.
Yeah. Until I come legally and see you hand marriage, I see. Come up there. So, we are headed to tomorrow.
I wouldn't know. Tomorrow will tell.
Hear me out now. I say I am not interested in what I have to say, so please get out. You can at least listen to me. I am nothing like you. I am not that cheap, unfaithful woman who cannot stay with one man, even at the point of getting married. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Okay, this is not fair now. How can you say these things to me? You've not even heard my own side of the story.
What stupid story? No. What stupid story? Or were the pictures not glaring enough? Where you are found kissing and leaning on the man. And you had to tell me stupid stories.
Okay, it's not true. I don't even know this man in question. I've never met him before. I don't even know how all this happened. Honestly, believe me.
Are you listening to yourself? No. I am the one who knows the man. I know the man, you don't know him.
Okay, look, I know you have every right to be angry because of the demeaning pictures you saw. But please, hear me out. Alright? I've been to Chike's house. He doesn't want to see me around. He's not picking my calls. He's not responding to my text messages.
Yes. He won't take your calls. And you have to stop calling him.
Okay, fine. But do me this favor. Help me check his phone. I want to know the number that sent him those pictures. Please.
You're the biggest joker of the century. Get lost.
Who is behind this? Somebody tell me who is behind this. I want to know who is behind this.
I want to inquire something. A minute.
Okay.
Have you by chance come across this person?
Nope. Sure. Mom, the last time he came here was that day you guys were here.
And since then he hasn't come here?
Yeah.
Do you know where I can find him?
No.
Do you know anybody that knows him?
Sorry, ma, this is a bar, not your hotel. Any issues, ma?
No, nothing.
I smell something that this is danger. I smell deadliness. I didn't wanna kill me. You're playing with my emotion, with my heart.
That's an insult to my personality. By the way, what am I doing here in the first place?
What's going on?
That's what I was telling you. They actually came here to meet my sister's tutor. Today is supposed to be her introduction. Now they're leaving very disappointed.
Is it that sad?
It's really sad.
Hi, come on. Take it easy, okay? Nevertheless, you made my day. I had fun today. All fun.
Thank you. I'll be going inside the house.
Oh, won't you let me in?
Maybe not today. Some other time, please.
Very well then.
Who is behind this? Somebody tell me who is behind this. I want to know who is behind this.
Zini, who was that?
Okay. It was just a friend of mine.
Just a friend.
Yes, we went out to have some drink.
And who is this friend of yours that we don't know of?
All is well, sis. What are you saying? Besides, we just started talking and you wouldn't advise me to slam myself at him just like that. What would he even think of me?
I didn't say so. Just looking out for a sister. So, just me, do you like him?
Sis? I don't even know. Besides, I'm not in a good mood.
Okay, welcome though.
Thank you.
You look good.
Thank you.
Paul, this embarrassment should not be swept under the carpet. And Chief should be banned. If he wants us to leave him alone and his family, he should be bold enough to say so. And we shall ban him and have our dignity intact. But Paul, you are not saying something.
What do you want me to say?
You have to say something because you are his closest relative. Yes.
So because there is problem now, we have to divide our family by proximity. Is that?
In short, Paul, you have to go back to him and tell him that the kindred wants him to appear before us in the next 4 market days and answer questions over this ugly occurrence.
Why should it be me? Why me?
The matter has fallen on you and you have to take it. Let's go.
Who is behind this? Somebody tell me who is behind this. I want to know who is behind this.
What's all this rubbish? What are you talking about?
Who was that man? I was alone with you. You insisted we drink.
No, baby girl. You challenged me on tequila shots. Have you forgotten?
I was high. Fine, I agree. You weren't high. How come you didn't notice the person that took the photos? Why did you tell me to stop? Why did you let me continue?
Hello. How old are you again? Baby girl, learn to take care of your shit and stop looking for her.
Answer me, my friend! Who was that guy that took the photos? Look, I believe you to let me peace too. You will not like the other side of me if you don't talk right now. You will release the beast inside of me. Answer me now!
Really? Then force it out of you.
Really?
Okay.
Get out my view!
Listen, what I said to this thing now. Hey, please.
Start talking now!
Are you crazy? Oh, you want to see madness? I will tell you that you're my younger sister.
Okay. I will press you like that. Oh! Stop! Okay, stop! What is it? Please, you two should stop!
Tell your daughter I sucked this breast and I left it for her. Tell her!
You're a fool! Diana, look at this idiot! What happened?
Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that.
Right?
Yes, sir. Good day.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm alright, sir. I didn't hear from you again concerning the case.
But you called and said we should stop investigating the matter. Since no one died, everyone has moved on. So we have to stop.
Are you kidding me or what? Who called you? I did not call you. What are you even talking about? Sorry I'm raising my voice, but the truth is, I never called you. I don't even have your number. Okay, sorry. Does the person's voice sound like mine?
Sure, of course.
Okay, wait. Do you have the number?
Look at it.
No, this is not my number, sir. It's not my number. This is my number. I didn't call you.
In that case, someone is up to some mischief here.
Obviously.
You know, sometimes when you're on phone, it is hard for you to dictate someone's voice unless it's somebody you talk with often.
Yes.
But we're going to look into it. We stopped immediately. The person called and said we should stop investigations. So, but I will do something about it.
So please, you really have to do something about it because as it stands now, it's obvious that someone is up to something sinister. I didn't call you. So, what's the way forward?
This is jealousy. This is jealousy. This is jealousy.
Egwu a na-atụ agụ. Odogwuna.
Akakadike.
Okay.
No.
Thank you.
How is your family?
Oh, very fine.
Hope everybody's fine.
We're fine. And yours?
They are good. You said there's something about the kindred you want to tell me.
Yes.
Sit down.
Thank you. Brother.
Yes.
Our kindred demands that you appear before them on Afode for some clarifications.
What kind of clarifications?
They feel that you insulted them all by bringing them out for nothing during that very day. And they also want to know what is going on with your daughter.
Paul, have you seen it yourself? Have you seen what I've been telling you about these girls? Have you seen the kind of shame these girls are bringing to my face? As for the kindred, tell them to stipulate whatever their fine is. I will not appear before anybody.
Brother, this thing is getting out of hand. We have to do something before these children send you to an early grave. Please.
I have heard what you said. I'll take care of it. But as for the kindreds, let me remind you again. Tell them to send whatever their fine is. As far as appearing before them, it's not possible.
It's all right.
Before you talk to him about it, you can discuss it with him over the phone or through messages. I will not do that. Do you even listen to me at all? I said I am not going to try to sister. Take it. Why are you so hard on me? I know she messed up, but please try. I know you have a good heart, please.
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing but the best. Never worry, this is not the end of the road. Don't fight.
When he is the man, you should try and make
it's not your battle. Cause your future is bright.
Both parties have to be fully equal.
Your future
if you
is
want a stronger relationship, both of you have to work it out. You know that.
Yes, I do. I really do. To be sincere with you, it really baffles me how you dish out relationship advice so expertly. Yet, no one has seen you with a man. Honestly, it is funny in a weird way.
Isn't it? You can mock me all you want. I won't give a flinch.
No.
But all I want is the best for you.
Of course, my love, I want the best for you as well. as your best friend. And because of that, I'm not going to have any serious relationship with that man you introduced me to until you show me your own man.
Ezile, is this a sort of blackmail or what?
Of course not. I mean, how can I blackmail my best friend? No, I'm only trying to reciprocate your kind gestures. Hold on please. Let me put a call through.
I guess you're not serious.
Come on, don't give me that face. You need a man.
What is all this? What came over you, guys? What is all this? Why
The person isn't taking the call.
Definitely a gamer. But keep trying. Nemesis will catch up with them.
It's alright. Can we just leave?
Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game.
Oh my God! Oh, I'm surprised to see your Nigerian number. What? You're back. Oh, today? Oh my God! Wow! Perfect timing. Yes. Okay, I'm coming right away. Yes, you're home, right? Okay, you see me now.
You were out for this fight, baby. I were out for this war. Or you were out for this fight, out for this war.
Is that not chocolate? Yes, that is checkers.
I told you already, just know.
Oh, I said it is checkers.
Hi, girls.
I said it is checkers, hey.
You care for a ride?
Oh yes. Hell no, I don't. Yes. We had an agreement before coming out here. Thank you.
Are you serious right now?
I am dead serious. Show me your man and I will align with the man you introduced to me. Thank you.
Ezine, what is wrong with you? Ezine.
What's going on here?
This girl is actually running mad.
Did you annoy her?
She just walked up on me.
Did you annoy her?
I did not. Don't mind her, she's just playing.
Bomboy, don't throw it away if you dare. What I will do to you. Come with that secret. Come with it. Hey. So you smoke? So you have been smoking in this house, Bomboy? You know, if my father finds out that you smoke, he will do something drastic to you. Are you aware?
Sorry.
Anyways, I can save you. That's if you do what I want.
Let me just throw it.
Listen to me. Stop misbehaving.
Spoke.
I saw you with Adaku earlier on. What were you both discussing?
With who again?
Listen. Henceforth, anything Adaku does in this house, you must let me know. Do you understand? I'm not joking with you. Hold on. See, I have your picture. Any day you don't give me details of Adaku, I will show this picture to my father. And I will make your leaving this house faster for you. You will go back to the village.
Is that just what you want? I have something to tell you already. Do you know that Adaku... I'm done smoking. No. This thing will finally put me into trouble. I cannot smoke again. What have I gotten myself into? They say this thing kills faster, yet somebody will still be smoking. No, I'm done. No. They don't catch me already. Edge the brain. Can't man such a punonka.
Where are you going?
Mom, seriously?
Really? Well, since you have decided to drive my husband's house with me, you have to give me every detail of how you go and when you return.
Well, Mrs. Okechukwu, your husband happens to be my father, and this is my father's house.
Aren't you ashamed of yourself? That you're still in your father's house at this age. I left my father's house when I was 20. And I had you at 21. At 23, I was already pregnant for my second child. Can you beat that?
Well, Mom, I can only beat that when you get me a husband. Mom, please, I'm going to Sydney's house. I'm not cut out for this discussion. He's back and he asked me to come.
Sydney?
Yes, Mom, Sydney, the one you know.
Oh. You are still frolicking with that fool that has refused to define what you two have.
Mom, I'm off. And I'm not sure I'll be coming back today.
You will do no such thing. If you ever pass the night there, you will regret it in your life.
Well, Mom, remind me again who wants me to get married. Who? I thought as much. Mom, please, I'm off.
Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game.
Daddy, I'm off.
Not with my car.
Why?
Go and return the car keys to wherever you took it from.
Oh, Daddy, why? It's not like you're going out again.
It is my car. I decide on when to use it, who I should allow to use it or not to use it.
Fine. Daddy, what did I do again? What crime did I commit? What have I done?
Holding the keys in your hand is a crime already committed. If it were back in my military days, I would have had you locked up in the guard room for 1 week. No water, no food.
Dad, no.
Adako, don't make me treat you like a bloody civilian you are. Now, go and return the car key. Now, move it. Bloody civilian.
Shebi you were out for this work. What does it go with for this fight? Hustle and maybe and you were out for this work. And you were out for this work.
Miss Okechukwu, really, you need to talk to your husband. Why is he behaving like this?
What has he done?
He has refused me from going out with one of the cars. One of his cars is me. Well, I'm his daughter. I have a right to drive my father's car. Of course, you have a right to drive your father's car. You know what? I'll talk to him on your behalf, okay? And you better talk. Let me have the car key. Here. Talk to your husband, because really, I don't like the way he's treating me. I don't like it. Where is he? He's upstairs. Let's go to him.
What is it?
Darling, Adaku said you insist that no one should use any of your cars. So I'm going somewhere. I decided to come and take official permission from you. Can I use any of your cars?
Of course you have the right to use any cars out there that you want to, make use of. You're my wife. I never said you shouldn't use my car. The restriction was basically to your daughters.
Thank you.
Ola, I hope this is not a strategy for you to use the car to drop your daughter off somewhere.
No, far from it. No, I can't do that. Don't worry, I'm going to host you tonight.
Go away.
I'll host you tonight.
I said go away.
Come on. You get the point now. What point? My husband said that I am free to use any of his cars. Why? Because I am his wife. So you have to get married. So you can be using any of your husband's property. As for now, my husband's wish is your command.
The master of the day. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest, you are the sharpest. Know that.
How are you? I'm fine. Close the door. So good to see you. You look good.
Thank you. You too. You're like, meh.
Thank you so much. What of your brother?
He's excited.
Okay. Let me check.
Oh, baby.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh, baby.
You look great.
Oh, please. You are the one who looks ravishing.
Oh,
Come on, you look
thank
good.
you.
I missed you.
I missed you too.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
So how is everything?
Everything is fine.
Good to hear that.
Oh, let's go inside. I have something for you.
Okay. Really? I cannot wait.
I know you like it. Yeah. Cheers.
Okay.
To love.
Mm-hmm.
More money.
Uh-huh.
You and I forever.
More especially to life.
Yes.
So, cheers.
So, guess what, baby?
What?
Mommy will be coming over the weekend.
Your mom?
Yes.
This weekend?
Yes.
You
know, she has been bugging me that she wants to see you, so I believe she'll be very, very happy to meet you today.
Please, are you sure?
Yes, of course I am.
I'm a little bit scared.
Why?
I don't know if she will like me.
I don't think so, too.
You don't think she will like me?
You were the one asking.
Of course, you're supposed to pacify me and not make me
Come
scared
on,
with more.
baby. Let's go inside my room.
But really, will your mom like me?
She will.
You sure?
Yes.
Why are you taking me to the room? You, I know you've missed me.
Of course, you know I have, baby.
I have missed you.
Ah, come and sit down, please. What is it? Hey, calm down. We're not fighting, are we? Say whatever you want to say. I was busy inside.
Busy crying, you mean? Anyways, I saw Mr. Jonas the other day, and he revealed something very shocking to me. He gave me the number of the person that called him on the phone and told him to stop investigating the shooting that happened on my marriage day.
So what's my business with that information? Please.
Wait! I'm not even done.
Be quick with it.
I also spoke to Nkiruka to help me talk to her brother about the whole situation. And she was able to get the number of the person that sent those pictures and videos to your man. And guess what? It is the same number.
Are you serious?
Yes. Hey! Take it easy. So all of a sudden you have gotten interested, right? You should have to ask nicely.
Behave yourself, please.
Beg for it.
Okay, sis, please.
And you also have to promise me that you will stop locking yourself inside the house. Yes.
Isn't it? Stop now.
I am not kidding. I am not. It's becoming too much.
Okay, I promise.
Good.
So can I have it now?
I'll show you. Calm down. This is the number. So now you have it. What next?
I'll be right back.
You are out for this fight, baby. You are out for this war. Or you are out for this fight, out for this war, baby. You are out for this war. Shabby, you are out for this war. What does it go with it for this fight, baby? Hustle, baby. You are out for this war. You are out for this war. You are out for this fight, baby. You can't out for this war. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy.
I wish they know how hungry I am, so famished.
I know you are.
Yeah, I like it.
Go and get water.
Oh, yeah.
Water. Jesus Christ!
What is this? What is this pond in the name of soup?
A melon pepper soup.
You shut your mouth. Now I want you to remind me why I still have you in my house. Oh. Because I have girls littered everywhere. They have refused to get married. And they cannot help to have anything done in the house. Eh? Get out of my presence! I said get out!
Here. Who made this rubbish?
And where is Adako?
Daddy, she will be spending the night at her fiance's place.
Really? So this is what it has come down to. In my house. Sleeping around in men's houses. Oh my God. Olama.
Darling, what is it? If they are here, you say they don't help in anything. If they try to find men for themselves, you want to cage them. What exactly do you want from these girls?
To be responsible. To go out there and build their own homes. I'm tired of seeing them every day I wake up in this house.
You're tired of seeing your own children?
Mommy, who made this disgusting meal? And why didn't he take it out of this place? It's irritating now. Bon boy! Bon boy!
Nothing.
If you like, twist it any way you want. If you were at your father's house, aging, do you think I'll come close to you? I won't even touch you with a 10-foot pole. Yes. Can't you see? Their market value is fast, steadily dropping every day. Olama, are you not bothered about this? Are you not supposed to be the one singing marriage praises to their ears every day? Don't you want to carry your grandchildren? Don't you?
If you're not okay, Kaichi say yeah. If you fry the meat, it's even better than.
You are the cause of this night's episode. Idiot. Come on, take this thing away.
Where is something?
Take this thing away. I will slap you again, no. Go! Get out! What is all this?
What was that you said?
Chikwe was involved in a fatal accident.
What?
Let me see him. No. The doctors, they are operating on him. He's in the theater.
But I need to see him.
No, you just have to calm down, please. Oh my God.
Zini, I found you very irresistible. I can't imagine myself in this life living without you in my life. Please, will you marry me?
Okay, fine. I know we had an agreement. Meet my boyfriend, Danny.
Hello.
Danny, meeting is in my bed.
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Okay, so
it's a
yes.
Yes.
That is it, girl. My best girl is taking. I have a wedding to plan.
think I like her?
I know you would.
So what are you waiting for? Are you not tired of shining away from becoming a man?
I'm not shying away, Mom. I am happy you approve of her. Okay, fine. I will go and see the parents officially and make sure that everything is done before I travel back to Abuja.
Oh, good idea, son. And make sure you put her in a family way soon.
What are you saying, Mom?
Stop raising your voice. You know what I'm saying. You need to be double sure. She is a complete package. You know what
I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you nothing more but the best.
Mommy! And you know, Mommy, I truly love him so much.
Really?
I do. You cannot believe that I was heading to the spa when Mabel called me this afternoon and said that my man had issues, he's been rushed to the hospital, and to make matters worse, he was going in for surgery. Mommy, I almost lost it. Driving down to the hospital, coming down from my car, you know what happened? Alas, it was my man. He knelt before me and proposed. He said, baby, would you marry me? I quickly said,
nothing was wrong after all.
Nothing was wrong with him.
Oh my
it was just a ploy, Mommy.
Aww, this is
so
beautiful. I'm so
excited.
happy for you, my child.
You.
That's fine.
Thank you.
So, you have to tell me everything about him. Where he's from, what he does for a living. I mean, everything.
He's a decent man. He does a decent job. In fact, he's everything I've always wanted in a man. I'm so lucky to have him, Mommy.
You are.
And to tell you the truth, he is willing to come see you people, you know, to declare his full intentions towards me. So, you tell me.
Fast.
Yeah. You don't want me to get married?
No, it's not like that. It's just that your sister just kicked off with her man now. Let her settle first so we can face you. I mean, one step at a time. In as much as I want your happiness, you need to allow her go first. After all, she is your elder sister.
Mommy, what are you saying? Age has absolutely nothing to do with this, Mommy. This is marriage.
I know.
I shouldn't let my man go because of that. Besides, they are not going to come in one day. They're going to come in different days.
I know. I didn't say you should let him go. Let him be there.
Mommy, please, I'm really excited and I don't want this to.
I'm happy.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please.
But boy, pick up now. Kai, when you will need this guy, you will not pick up. What kind of stupid?
This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy. This is jealousy, jealousy.
I don't know which spices to add though. Is it the other one before the second one? At least pick up. Let me know. Let me send a text message. This stupid boy, when you need him, he will not pick up.
Your plans are working right. Your strategy's done the work. Because you're the master of the game. The master of the game. Remember, you cannot run faster than your shadow. You are the smartest. You are the sharpest. Know that. Know your own. But remember. You go with any name. But remember. You go with her. out for this fight. Out for this war. Out for this fight. Out for this war.
Ma, you need to eat now. Food is getting cold. Let's eat. Okay. Mama, come and eat. See that?
So sweet. And you didn't even wait for us to pray. Let us pray.
Okay, Mom.
In Jesus' name. Drink water, drink water.
Honey, drink water. Honey, drink water.
What is
it? Sorry. Drink water.
Hey! What did you do to my son?
I didn't do anything. It's the food I served. Honey, wait. Honey, take. Drink water.
Take water, please.
Honey, sorry. Honey! Sydney! Come on now. Hey! Mama, let's take it to the hospital. Let's take it to the hospital. I didn't do anything. It's just food that I gave him. If you like, I'll eat the food too. Why would I kill somebody that I love? I didn't do anything, ma. Hey, Mama, please now, let's take him to the hospital.
Hospital? What is that? Hospital, what about?
Police is here. Mama, it has not got into this now. Treasure, where is the police?
Hey. What happened? What did you say?
Treasure, where is the police? This Tracy, I want to kill your brother, which I don't even know where your brother brought her from.
What did you do to my brother?
Treasure, don't you know me?
Your brother's fighting with his
life. I didn't do anything. I want to prepare food for him. Mama, please now, let's take him to the hospital. Mama, stop this now. You know me. I cannot. I love him. I love your son. Please.
What did you do to my brother?
I didn't do anything.
What did you do to my brother? Hey! If anything happened to my brother, hey, you will forget that I ever loved you. Let me just tell you. Mama, lock that gate. Don't even call me.
Let's take him to the hospital now. Mama, let's take him to the hospital. Mama, let me somebody that I love. Mama, you're not going to do anything now. Hey! Mama, please now. Please, let's take him to the hospital. Mama, please.
Oh, what? Stop that. Stop. Oh, yeah. Go back. Go back. I leave you because I'm not. Stay here because you're going to the station now. Yes. Treasure, hurry up, bro. Hi. Hey, oh yeah. Hey. Come here. Adana.
I did not poison him. I did not. Why would I poison someone I love? I only made meal for him. And he ate it. We were about eating our own before that thing happened. So if I had poisoned him, would I now put poison in the whole food?
Shut up! See your eye. Your eye they show me say you don't kill.
No.
If I dey talk, then they answer me. Killing na you be, kill na you be. See your eye, say your eye they run like pussy. And your eye they tell me say you don't kill before. You no want talk truth, I think. You no want talk truth. See, make I tell you. Ask for this station, they go tell you. If you don't know, go ask. Now me be Wayne Johnson.
Hey.
I know they too. As you know what open your mouth, tell me true. By the time I will go carry scissors to put for fire. Come call this your tongue where they your mouth. Put that for basin. You go tell me true.
Hey. I'm telling you the truth, I swear.
Shut up your mouth.
Yeah, Chief.
What do you mean?
There is a very big problem. The thing is that I have a dream, and normally anytime I have this dream.
And what is this dream all about?
Chief, it's Adako. I have a dream where...
Father, there's a problem.
Chief, what problem?
Lady, Adako has just been arrested by the police.
Police? What took her to the police?
I wouldn't know, Father. I got up and saw her missed calls and then this text message.
But you told me she went to see her fiancé.
Yes, that's what she told me when she was leaving. God, take control.
Hello, Jonas. Are you in the office? There is something critical I would like us to discuss. Yes.
What is wrong with Mama? What happened to her? Did she faint? Is she dead?
But then she's not dead. How can you be asking if she's dead? Her sickness is getting too serious.
Let me see people at the coast now. Why would my Mama be sick all this while? You people decided to keep the sickness all to yourself. Mama is sick. Okay,
If I had told you, what would you have done? You're always complaining of your salary being delayed. All we need now is money. We need money.
This is a very big problem, oh.
Brother, do something now. We need money.
Ha! Just use it and buy medicine for her.
The sickness has gone beyond medicine level. Oh.
They use the money and buy drugs for her. But the
chemist cannot help us in this. We need to take Mama to the hospital.
What do I need to take Mama to? Boy, I asked you the first time, what is the level of her sickness? You said what is level? That means you people actually know what you are doing to me.
But then now you know the level now is hospital level. Okay, let's go and beg your organ now.
Huh?
Let's beg him so he will give us money for the hospital bill.
Oh, you want to send me out of this place? You
understand that Mama is sick now?
Is this his fault that Mama is sick?
But he's your organ. This is about somebody's life.
Take this money, go to the hospital, deposit the money, deposit yourself, let them hold you and treat Mama.
So they should hold me. What if you don't come?
I will come. How are they going to get treat Mama? Go, you are delaying. Hey, I'm going to water one.
You will not be angry at you. Just give us money.
Is she for meeting?
Mama she's shaking. Her body is shaking. But you promise to bring more money, okay?
Watch when I'm not on the man. Huh? Imagine.
Boy!
Yes, madam.